finished pulling in some more wire from there. And then that was the hardest one right there, which broke several times. We got that one right there, a junction box on the corner, which you probably couldn't see. And then we got one right there. That one right here. So I did all this today. Had a big like scaffolding with two 2,500 foot rolls of wire, which was great. Just rolled it everywhere we went, super easy and fast. Got another one over here. One behind the toilet. And we got another one right there. And then another one over there. And then they pulled some wire from that box right there on the wall over to here. And then from there it goes down to this next one. The only thing that we really have left to do is the post right there and another little one next to it. And then we've ended there, and then also I'll take you around the other side. We did this last carport from right there over to right there. So we had the one junction box on the ground right over here, and then that goes to there's a pole light behind that, and then the other one goes behind this building from that same spot back over there, and then from behind the building over there it goes over to here in front of this sign right here, and then from the sign it goes to this last carport right here. And that's pretty much it, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go get a Slurpee because I freaking want one. I think I deserve it. It's the weekend. I got a little bit overtime, about almost an hour overtime, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Just finishing up pulling this wire. Some of it was a nightmare and some of it went super easy, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great weekend. God bless. I will see you guys back on Monday. I'm going back to the warehouse on Monday, so I will be at a different job site again. So I will be back at the other job site, and I hope you enjoyed. As always, don't forget to check out the description for social medias, like and subscribe if you want to support me, and if you like the video, I'd appreciate it, guys. Help me get to that 700 subscribers. I'd appreciate it. God bless. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. There it is. There's my Slurpee, and it tastes so good. I haven't had one in like a year and a half. I used to get these like every day at work, but I haven't had one in so long, and it tastes fantastic. Going cruising later with Katie. The weather is fantastic. As you can tell, she messed my hair up from yesterday, but it's gonna be great. Can't wait for the rest of the day, the weekend. It's gonna be fantastic. Hope you guys have a great one too. See you later. Peace.